Thanks for tuning in for another Essential RC drive test, and I am out with Hazza, and we are out with the QYSEA Fifish V6 again down by my feet. And we were out a couple of weeks ago with this, and I was amazed out here on the canal actually how many fish were below the surface. But one thing we did not see was a crayfish, and we know for sure there are lots of crayfish in here, so we are going crayfish hunting today to see if, and they're not very social creatures, are they, Harry? No, they don't like to be seen as far as we know, so we'll be lucky if we catch a glimpse. But here we go. We're going to set up the Fifish V6 Underwater Drone and we're going to go hunting. Okay, so we're all ready to go. I've got the Fifish V6 and I've plugged in the line into the back. That automatically turns it on. I've got the other end of the line plugged into the smart controller, and my smartphone with the app running connected via Wi-Fi to the smart controller. So we're all ready to go. Let's put this in the water. There you go, Harry. Crayfish there, just in the corner.
Oh yeah.
Got him. How long we been waiting? About an hour and a half.
Yeah.
Finally, he makes an appearance.
Oh, look.
Yeah, there he is.
Come back.
There he is, yeah.
Yeah.
So he just, but he kind of nips into frame and then he goes out.
Yeah,
It's
inquisitive, but like a little bit cautious.
It's not surprising, really. I mean, it's a bright yellow greeny thing underwater, like nothing else under there. So he's a little bit inquisitive, and then he's thinking, whoa, could be dangerous, better back off. So, and then he disappears again. So anyway, that's twice. That's not bad, actually, considering he's so elusive. Pretty good.
Yeah.
So there we go. As predicted, Mr. Crayfish was a bit elusive, but we did catch the old glimpse, a couple of glimpses there, I think. So we're pretty happy with that. The mission accomplished in what is reasonably murky water. It just proves that with this 4K 30 frames a second camera, where you can configure the camera quite broadly in terms of its settings, you can pick up quite a lot of detail. So we saw lots of fish, but we certainly picked up crayfish a couple of times. So we're going home happy for tea. So thanks for watching this one. See you next time.